Today we examine the architectural configuration and quantitative mechanics of the Vertical Volume Pro indicator, designed to map structural market efficiency through advanced data aggregation. The script processes lower timeframe price distribution arrays to construct dynamic volume profiles anchored to structural swing points or customized chronological boundaries. By leveraging volume-weighted metrics and statistical distribution filters, the system evaluates how transactional volume concentrates across distinct market phases. The script utilizes an automated swing detection framework or manual parameters to establish analytical boundaries for volume distribution tracking. Lower timeframe print aggregation parses internal candle data to calculate cumulative volume ranges, directional deltas, and threshold filters without relying on promotional claims or performance guarantees. Institutional benchmarking features incorporate localized volume-weighted averages to analyze price behavior relative to dominant participant activity zones. Warning: educational software for analytical purposes only. Trading involves significant risk.